Our knowledge in kitchen appliance repairs is over 35 years of experience. With Amtech Services, you will receive the best service and support. Amtech Services is licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Our friendly and experienced technicians are all background checked and will work hard to win your trust. At Amtech Services, our goal is to stand out above other appliance repair companies. We strive to do this by providing a quick repair experience done right the first time. We will work with you and your schedule to complete the repair promptly. When your appliance needs repair, call Amtech Services. You can place your service request online or check your job status on our website, amtechservices.com.